Hey everybody, this is JDub1 and these are my hands. Hi! So, I've been working on the Korbanth 2.0 here, and I just needed to see the kit as it came finished to have something to look at while I was doing my planning. And yeah, I think it came out pretty good. Nothing is totally permanent here. You might have seen the blue wire move there a little bit. The wires aren't fixed in place, but all this, the rest of the stuff in here is. Actually, these greeblies aren't glued in, but you can kind of see what I did here. Instead of leaving these black sections, I made everything nice and shiny. But yeah, I think just with the supplied greeblies, looks pretty cool up there now. You know, you compare that to like this guy over here, and it's not, you know, it's not Phoenix props like City Sabers over there. But you know, it looks pretty good, I think. And you know, I kind of worked this out so it's a little more golden instead of silver. And you know, all these little guys in here. So this, if you buy the kit and you have, you know, just some paint and some extra wire around, I guess, this is pretty much what you can expect. I'll go ahead and open her up so you can see what's going on in there. Built the crystal that comes with it, and then I just used a blade plug up here to kind of have it seat into something. It's a blade plug I designed and printed. You can kind of get a good view of what's going on in there. So yeah, if you buy this kit, I mean, obviously other than the blade plug, maybe a couple blue wires, it's pretty much what you're going to get if you just put it together. I'll continue to bring the pommel out if I can get it. There we go. I'll just pull that crystal chamber out so you see kind of how big it is, what it is. If you're going to do like a full install, which I'm going to do, probably not going to be able to use most of this stuff. So I'll just slide that out there. Boop, 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 boop. And yeah, so nothing too fancy. Just painted it black and then put a nice chrome on top of that. Looks pretty cool for, you know, what it is. But if I'm going to use it in the install, I'll probably have to cut it right here, or maybe even slightly higher. That way I can have a speaker, you know, in this area. And the way that these come apart, they come apart here, so I would probably have to cut that. But yeah, that's the Korbanth 2.0 Crossguard kit as it comes assembled, with no install. If you just want to do that and have a shelf queen, that's what it looks like. Thanks for watching.